Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Waves of Mathematics. This is Poonam, your maths teacher, and today we are going to another question of Olympiad. So you can see the question is in the left hand side, square root of 15, again square root of 15 and 15. So it means root, there is inside there are two roots, and this one is the first root, and inside it 15, root 15 and root 15, and equal to is 225 raised to the power x. So we need to find the value of x. Find x. So first of all, you can see here the left hand side there are three roots. So first of all, we will remove these root one by one. So squaring both side. 15 root of 15 and root of 15. Here is 225x. So we'll do the square both side. So you can see this square is cancel out this root. So this 15 is without root. Now we have two roots are remaining. And right hand side this power to power, we are using the exponent law, a power m whole power n. Power to power, the powers will be multiplied. So we are using this law here. So 225 x into 2 is the 2x. Okay, after that we have two square root are remaining. So we will do again the squaring both side. 15 root of 15 root 15 equals to 225 power 2x. Squaring both side again. So this one is the 15 square, and this square is cancel out the square root. So this 15 is here, and this root 15 is as it is. This square is cancel only this square root, because this square root is the part of this square root. So do not remove this square root. Okay. Now right hand side 225, 2x into 2 is the 4x. Okay. Now next is the 15 square and 15. It will become 2, and here the power is 1. Base are the same, so we will add the power. 2 plus 1 is the 3. So you can see we are using the law a power m into a power n. If the base are same, so power should be added, a power m plus n. So 2 plus 1 is the 3. Okay. Now next step is it's a root 15, and here is the 225 4x. One root is remaining, so again we'll do the square both side. So 15 cube root of 15, 225 4x whole square square. Now this 3, you can see this 2 multiply by 3. So 15 cube multiply by 2 in the next step, and this root is cancel out by this square root. This square is cancel out by the square root, and 15 is here, and here you can see 225 4x. 4 to the 8x. 4x into 2 power to power, we are using this law again. 4x into 2 is the 8x. Again we are using here this law, 3 to the 6. So 15 power 6 into 15 equals to 225 power 8x. Now you can see here the base are same, so we are using again this law. Here the power is 1. So 6 plus 1 is the 7. So you can see we will write 15 power 6 plus 1 is 7, and 225. This 225, everybody knows 225 is the square of the 15. So 15 square, we will write this 225 instead of 225, we will write 15 square, and the power is 8x. And this one 6 plus 1 is the 7, and here power to power again we will multiply by this rule. 2 8 ja 16, and x is here. Now you can see the base are the same. So if the base are same, suppose we have a power m and a power n. If the base are same, left hand side and right hand side, the power should be equal, m equals to n. Okay. So similarly here the base are the same, the power should be equal. 7 equals to 16x. So x value is 7 by 16. This is our answer. Hope you have understood this question, and if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and for more videos go through the playlist of Olympiad Math. Thank you and thanks for watching.